Hello, welcome to our quick guide on Interactive Electronic Technical Manuals or IETMs. An IETM is a digital manual that combines text, graphics, audio, and video to create an interactive experience. Unlike traditional paper manuals, IETMs offer easy navigation, search capabilities, and real-time updates. They are essential in industries like aerospace, defense, and manufacturing, improving accuracy and efficiency while reducing costs. The purpose and benefits of IETMs. IETMs provide technical information in digital form. This digital format greatly enhances the ease of access and usability of technical manuals. Finding specific information is quick and simple, making your work more efficient. IETMs seamlessly integrate with other digital systems and tools for better resource management. This means you can connect to various databases and tools to streamline your workflow. IETMs improve the accuracy and reliability of maintenance and operation procedures. One of the significant advantages of IETMs is the ability to facilitate quick updates and distribution of information. Finally, IETMs reduce physical storage requirements for manuals. All the information you need is stored digitally, freeing up valuable physical space. IETMs revolutionize the way we access and use technical information. They provide digital access, enhance usability, integrate with other tools, improve accuracy, support training, facilitate updates, and save space. Benefits of role-based access: enhance security, ensures that only authorized personnel have access to sensitive information, reducing the risk of data breaches. Improved efficiency, allows users to access only the information relevant to their role, streamlining their workflow and reducing information overload. Better accountability, tracks user activities within the system, providing a clear audit trail and improving accountability. Customized user experience, tailors the interface and content to the specific needs of different roles, enhancing user satisfaction and productivity. Annotations are notes or comments added to a text, diagram, or any other piece of content. They help provide additional information, clarification, or personal insights. One of the main benefits of annotations is that they enhance understanding. By adding explanations or definitions, you can make complex information easier to grasp. Annotations also allow for collaboration. Multiple users can add their comments and feedback to a document, facilitating discussion and improving the content through collective input. A basic search allows you to quickly find information using simple keywords or phrases. It's straightforward and perfect for general inquiries. This is where advanced search comes in. Advanced search offers more options to refine and narrow down your search. You can use filters, specify exact phrases, exclude certain words, and much more. Thank you for watching. For more information about our services and products, please visit our website at www.designtexas.com. If you have any further questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out to us at info@designtexas.com.